welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share my empties with you. So these are my March empties, and I'm making this video a little late because I was just waiting one of my product to be finished, and today I finished that product, so I thought let me share my empties with you guys. Now before I start, let me share something. Actually, my sister often asks that, do you finished all these products within a month? And I know that many more people maybe feel the same or think the same. So let me tell you, I never finished one product within a month until unless that product is very, very little or comes in a travel size. Full size products, I never finished within a month because guys, these days everyone using, AM and PM skincare routines. So the cream which you are using in a morning time, you're not gonna use in a evening time. So mostly product lasts like more than a month. So now let me share my empties with you. So first thing, obviously cleanser. So this is the cleanser I finished last month from Drunk Elephant, and this is Erase Milky Micellar Water. So I already reviewed this product. If you need more information about the product, you can definitely watch my review. So for today, I would like to say that this is a good micellar water cleanser with lots of good ingredients, and it's really makes your skin soft. You're not gonna feel any dryness on your face. Top of that, the quantity is good, the price is good. I mean, Drunk Elephant products are normally very expensive, but this is not that expensive, so price wise is also like reasonable to me. And the best part of micellar water is that you can replace makeup wipes with this product. It's good for your skin and I liked it, so this is a good product. Next cleanser I finished is this from Aurelia, and this is a miracle cleanser, and I also reviewed this brand and this particular product. This is one of my favorite cream cleanser. The best part of this cleanser is that you can use this product as a cleanser or also as a face mask, because there is no nasty chemical, there is no artificial chemical inside. All you have goodness of good ingredients, and you can just apply this on your face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it. I can buy this product again and again, so I really liked it. Next I finished this is a new brand to me. This is a Timeless Skincare. So this brand is a very reasonable brand, and the products are not too good, not too bad. I will definitely review this brand for you guys. This is a Q10 serum, and this is very good for hydration, and the value is really good. And if the product not doing any harm to your skin, you're not getting any kind of irritation or allergies, then you know that product is very safe to use. Good or bad, that's a different story, because every product claims something, and if you see the result, then product is good. If you can't see the result, then product is bad. About this product claims that this is very good for extra hydration and extra moisturization, which is very, very true. About the other claim that it gives extra collagen and elastin to your skin, I don't know, and I can't say that this claim is right or wrong, but personally there is nothing I say I hate about this product. I like this product. Next product is a vitamin C, again from Timeless Skincare. About this vitamin C, as I said in my previous video, I'm not a very big fan of vitamin C, but on a Christmas time, I saw a great deal on the product, so I thought, let me try. This item contains 20% vitamin C. The consistency is runny and very, very watery. Fragrance is just like vitamin C, like the artificial vitamin C. The best part of this vitamin C, that this vitamin C is not at all sticky. I mean, stickiness is one thing I really, really hate in skincare products, especially in vitamin C. So this is not at all sticky. About the results, I didn't see any extraordinary effects. That's all I can say. Maybe I have to buy more and need to use more than a month, then maybe I can see any extraordinary result, but for now this is something I don't feel like to buy again. Next I finished this from Origins. This is travel size soothing treatment lotion. This is one of the product which I really, really liked and enjoyed from this brand, because whatever I have used so far from Origins, I didn't like anything, but this soothing lotion is really, really very good. I mean, after applying this, I really feel good and my skin feel good, so this is something I can buy again. Next, I finished this buckthorn oil. This is from Russia, and oh my god, this oil is really very good. And I also reviewed this oil, so you can watch that video too if you want to know more about this oil. And I love this oil. This is very light. You can apply on your face, you can apply on your entire body, you can use this on your salads, you can cook with this. So this is like multitasking oil, and I'm going to buy this again. I really liked it. Next, I finished this mask from Asarai. I reviewed this product also. So I'm amazed because I always think that clay mask is not for me because I have a normal to dry skin, and I always felt that the clay mask is only for combination or to oily skin types, but this mask proved me wrong. This is a very good mask, and anyone, I mean, it doesn't matter what skin type you have, anyone can use this mask, and I'm going to buy this again too. Now let's talk about hair. So first product which I finished, this is from Forest Essential. This is a travel size cleanser, and this is one of my favorite cleanser, and this is a Bhringraj and Shikakai cleanser. This makes my hair soft and happy, so I definitely buy this again. Next is the conditioner. This is also from Forest Essential, and this is Amla, Honey and Muletti conditioner. About the conditioner, the consistency is like quite runny and it's not that effective, maybe because it's Ayurvedic conditioner, but overall it's not a bad product, so I can buy or maybe not. So I'm a little confused, but I like it. So the next product which I finished, you have no idea. After years, I tried any drugstore shampoo, and this is from Garnier. So when I see this shampoo in Target, I thought that let me try, because this is a vegan formula, no silicones, no parabens, no nasty ingredients here. So I thought let me try, but I didn't like. First thing about this shampoo, that the consistency is very watery. So sometimes you use more than you need. So this is like wastage of the product. Secondly, I didn't like the fragrance. The fragrance is not bad, but it's too much to handle, at least for me. And last thing which I don't like about this shampoo, it's not make my hair happy. So I'm not going to buy this shampoo again. Next, I finished this full size conditioner from Verb. It's very difficult to finish this particular product. I mean, what to say about this conditioner? The price is good, the quantity is good. This is 355 ml, so it lasts like more than 3 months. I didn't like this conditioner at all. First of all, it's really difficult to get the conditioner out of this bottle. I don't know what's the problem. Secondly, it says it's a hydrating conditioner, but in my case, I felt no change. Like, it never softened my hair. Now I don't even want to say that this conditioner is bad, because maybe there are people who gonna say that, oh, this conditioner is really good, but I can only share my experience, and my experience with this conditioner is not at all good, so I'm not going to buy this again. Now the last thing which I finished last month is this body wash from Soap Box. So I randomly bought this body wash. I don't know why. Maybe because I was looking for something new, and then I saw that, okay, the ingredients looks okay, all right, there is no nasty chemicals, no bad ingredients here, and the price also not too bad. So I was like, let me try. And this product is not bad, it's not good. Fragrance is okay, and it's gonna help you to wash yourself, but sometimes, you know, your expectations are a little high. You want your body wash to make your skin little softer, so this is not the body wash you are looking for if your expectations are little high. This is a normal body wash, so this is not a bad body wash, but this is not that kind of body wash which you are looking for. So I'm a little confused about this body wash. I can buy or maybe not, but for now I'm not going to buy this body wash again, because I have another one which I need to try. So this is kind of a pass to me. That's it, guys. These were my empties. I hope you liked the video. Now I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.